Hey, what's up YouTube? It's We186 here, and today I'm going to show you a pretty cool Dreamweaver / JavaScript tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up box appear on your website. And it kind of looks like this. So if you click the link, instead of going to redirecting to a new browser, it opens up to the same thing, and it just pops up with Ajax, which is just automatically loads without refreshing the page or anything. So you can close it and open it up, and it pops up like this. So this is a real cool thing to have on your site, and actually it's very easy to put on your site. So what I'm using is Thickbox 3.1, and the link for the site will be in the description. But what I did is I took the initiative to go ahead and put all the files into one folder, and I'm going to put a download link so you can get all that. And what you'll receive is the file name is pop-up box, and you're going to get the images, the 2 images you need for this. You're going to get the JavaScript codes. You need all 4 of these. An index and test file. You do not need these, but this is just to show you an example. And you have the quick code. Basically, it's just a quick code what you use to put in your website. So after you received the files and you downloaded them, go ahead and open this folder or the folder you received from Thickbox, and you can go ahead and open it in Dreamweaver or Notepad. I'm using Dreamweaver. And what you want to do is you want to place this code, which I have in my text document. You want to take this code, copy it, and you want to insert it within your header area, usually where your meta tags go. You should put it under your meta tags. You can put it above, but it suggests you put it below your meta tags. And you just copy this and you place it in your header area, so before the head tag, and make sure it stays within this head tag. And after you do that, that's basically all you need. But you need to add a certain code in your links for it actually to work. So as you see here, h equal href and all this, my document right here, this is where it links to, and height 200 and width is 300. You can edit this. So the height 200 by 300, this tells me what size the box is going to be. So let me go ahead and pull this up. So it's going to be 200 by 300, and you can adjust it depending on how big or small you want it. So it's 200 by 300, and class equal thickbox. That's important. That's telling it what it is and where to get the documents from. Title, you can enter whatever title you want. You don't have to have it. And then your text that is going to appear for the link. So update thickbox, and I'll show you an example of it. I have it open here, and if I click that, it goes ahead and opens my test document, my test HTML file. So it's really cool and simple to use, and actually this has a couple different features you can use. You can use images. Let me show you gallery images. If I go to demo and I click this, you can actually do a little slideshow. So if you have a whole bunch of images on your site and you want to put in just one big slideshow without junking up your whole website, this is a great thing to have. I'm just going to go ahead and close that. So it's basically very simple to use, but I just want to go ahead and run through some important things so you don't get confused. When you're editing your folders and everything, it's important that you keep this folder name JS. The reason being is the code is directed to go all the files in the JavaScript folder. So if you're good at JavaScript, or if you're pretty good with coding, you can go ahead and tweak around with that. If you're not, I want to go ahead and mess around with it. And the other thing is, if you don't want to have your images folder, you want to go into your jQuery file, which is the JavaScript file. Right click, edit. I'm going to edit with Notepad++. And go ahead up here, and it will show you, actually wrong file, hold on, let me see, JavaScript Thickbox, JavaScript file, the Thickbox one, edit with Notepad. This should be one. Okay, here it is. var tb path to image equals images / loading animation.gif. So if you do decide to change your folder name, the images, this folder right here, you want to make sure you edit it in this file here too, because if you don't, it's not going to work. You won't get the loading animation sign popping up, so it's kind of going to look a bit tacky. So make sure you do that if you decide to change your folder name of images. So basically this is the Thickbox tutorial. It's real cool to use, and I use it on the 3 of my sites that I have out: Rob's Web Tips, ActionScript, and Ultimate Traffic ebook. It's a great thing to have, and it's really cool, really nice to have on your sites. It works great for people who have slow computers, so if your site has a lot of people that use older computers, it's definitely a great thing to have, since it's Ajax and it doesn't require, you know, to go to a new page and so on. So this is basically a short but pretty decent tutorial showing you how to implement this on your site. If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and send me a message or send a comment. I will help you with it. If you're not good with JavaScript, don't go ahead and mess around with the code. If you need some help, if you want to change the code, you can go ahead and send me a message. I'm pretty good with JavaScript myself, and I could be able to tweak it up for you a little bit. Maybe not making no guarantees, but you can go ahead and send me a message. It's worth a try. And rate, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this video. Do you want more Dreamweaver tutorials? This is my first one, so go ahead and kind of tell me if you want more coding tutorials. I will talk to you later, YouTube.